Today in this video we will learn how to remove background from photo in Adobe Illustrator. So first, set the fill color to none from the toolbar. Then make the stroke color black. Now click on the pen tool from the toolbar. And then select the object with the pen tool. You can see that the object is select. Now select the shape and the photo together. Now click the right button on the photo. Click on Make Clipping Mask. So here you can see that the background has been removed from the photo. Thanks for watching the video.